A nice night to stay inside, cuddled up under a blanket, watching some football or maybe even a movie. Temperatures outside are a little bit cool with the dreary conditions. 47 degrees are high today. Now that is 5 degrees warmer than our normal 42, but we are getting ready to go even warmer. All of it in part due to a warm front, which is also bringing us a little bit of the rain. You can see when you take that live look on outside, some slight rainfall. We'll call it sprinkles coming on down for us now. Also a little bit of fog to contend with. Visibility has dropped in the inner harbor to about half a mile, down in Annapolis to a big whopping 0. So noticing patchy dense fog popping up in some places today. It's going to stay that way for us tomorrow as well. So keep in mind you might want to go ahead and set your alarm clocks for you a little bit earlier, not only for the dense fog, but the showers that will continue to roll through the region. Here's a look at the radar. This is really just from about the last say half an hour or so. All the action continues to move off to the northeast, and it does look like we'll get a little bit of a drying trend, a little bit of a break in the rain coming out over toward Vanzell. You can see out over toward Lanham, also dealing with some of the lighter rain, even into Bowie, dealing with some of the drying conditions coming your way, heading out over toward Glen Burnie most likely in about the next 20 minutes, and then moving maybe into Columbia in about 25 minutes there, arriving in Baltimore. I'd give it about another hour or so. The deal with the rain, though, is even though we get this little dry trend, it's going to be very short-lived as more showers are in fact anticipated for us for our morning commute. Temperatures right now, though, ahead of the warm front. We're looking at 45 degrees in the inner harbor. Good evening to you in Middle River at 46 in Aberdeen, now sitting at 45. Look at the temperatures to our south, though. 68 degrees in Charleston, 69 in Atlanta. This is the heat that is coming our way. So tomorrow we will see our temperatures as well into the upper 60s for us. And that will be quite a big change for us considering temperatures are usually on into the lower 40s. We could be around 20, 25 degrees warmer than normal. In fact, it could be record-breaking heat. The record 68, and that is exactly what we were forecasting. That was set back in 1990. Very short-lived, though. Lasts for one day because right behind it we get another cold front that's in the forecast to arrive by the late afternoon. That will allow our temperatures by Tuesday to fall about 15 degrees. Closer to seasonal, but still a tad warmer than normal. It's also going to produce a little bit of a breeze as well on Tuesday. Here's the rain futurecast, though, for you. Starting you off at around 7:30 tonight, you can see maybe some of the lighter showers heading out over toward Baltimore City, but Cockeysville drying out, as well as out over toward Haverty Grace. By 9:30, though, the rain yet again re-intensifies for us. So we're noticing lighter showers now stretching from northeast all the way back out over toward Shadyside, pushing through Savage, even through Cockeysville, now developing more rain. And tomorrow morning for your commute at about 6 a.m., the Beltway looks to be surrounded with some of the rainfall as well as portions of 95 and 895, continuing to watch for the shower activity. I think when we get closer to the 8 o'clock hour, we'll start to see the rain somewhat taper off. So it's a 50% chance of morning showers, and as the day progresses, we're going to see that drop steadily. So now at 12:30, look at how everyone is not colored in green. We're seeing the lighter rain coming our way. In fact, we dropped that rain chance to about 10% by your evening. Rainfall totals vary anywhere from about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch. Tonight going for a 51 degrees. That is warm with clouds and fog. Tomorrow 68 degrees, rainy day to start your 7-day forecast for you. Noticing temperatures Tuesday falling to 52. New Year's Eve 33 degrees, and for the first day of 2020 we're looking at 46.
Those are some nice numbers we're looking at there, and it's going to be maybe a record tomorrow.
I know.
That's awesome.
You want to think of record, you want to go outside, but it's going to be a little